everyone, my name is Francis Angelo El Suño from grade 2 SSES. Today, we're gonna do some experiment and we observe the changes made by the sunlight to materials, and we're going to explain the effects of a light on different materials. But before we start, I have here the materials need, such as 3 paper plate, crayon, leaf, and bottled water. We will place the materials under the sun for 2 hours and we will observe the changes of materials every 30 minutes. Let's go! Let's start! I'm gonna put the crayon into the first paper plate. Then, I will put the leaf into the second paper plate. And the last one is the bottled water. Started putting the materials at 11:10 in the morning. We will observe what happened to the materials. Let's see what happened to the crayon, leaf, and plastic bottle after 2 hours. But we will also observe the materials every 30 minutes. Just wait for 30 minutes and we will observe it. We will leave the crayon, leaf, and bottled water under the sun. And we will wait and see after 30 minutes. Just relax and see. We will observe what happened. What is the effect of light to the crayon? Sunlight can cause a crayon to melt as the heat from the sun's rays warms the wax in the crayon, turning it from a solid to a liquid state. When exposed to sunlight, the wax in the crayon absorbs heat, causing it to melt gradually. The intensity of the sunlight, the length of exposure, the surrounding temperature all play a role in how quickly a crayon melts. Now, it is already 30 minutes. It is 11:40 a.m. Let's see what happened to our materials. I saw that the crayon was starting to moist just a little, and the leaf started a little dry, and the bottled water was started to warm even the small amount of water. Just leave again the materials under the sun. And we will wait again for 30 minutes and we also observe it after another 30 minutes. What do you think will happen after 30 minutes? Okay, we will leave it again. What is the effect of light to the leaf? Light is essential for a leaf, as it provides the energy by which plants convert sunlight, water, carbon dioxide into sugar for growth. Because we can put the leaf under the sun for 2 hours, it can experience burn or leaf scorch, resulting in visible damage like brown or pale spot on the leaf or discoloration, which can lead to the leaf dying because of excessive light energy. What is the effect of light to the bottled water? Sunlight can cause bottled water to deteriorate in quality and release harmful chemicals. We put bottled water with a little water and place it under the sun. The water inside will simply heat up, as the sun rays transfer heat to the bottle, making water warmer. Exposure to direct sunlight can leach chemicals from plastic bottle into the water. We put a bottled water under the sun and it will degrade due to the ultraviolet radiation, causing the plastic to break down and release harmful chemical into the water, making it unsafe to use. After another 30 minutes again, now it is 12:10 in the afternoon. Let's see and observe what happened to our material. I saw that our material changed again the appearance, especially the crayon that's starting to melt because of the heat of the sun. The leaf was changed a little bit color into a mild brown color, and a plastic bottle also changed. Now that we can see a changes again in just 1 hour. Let's leave again the materials and let's see it again after another 30 minutes. Okay, it is 12:40 in the afternoon and we will observe again the materials. Wow, the crayon has melting already. The edge of the crayon are now soft and melting. The leaves are already brown in color, and the bottled water was evaporated and warmer. It has a big difference after 1.5 hours. Big changes in the materials. Okay, we'll see again. For 30 minutes, let's leave again the materials. Now it's already 1:10 p.m. It's completed the 2 hours to place the materials under the sun. Wow! The crayon is finally melted and the leaf was brown, dry, and totally damaged. And the plastic bottle was damaged also and released chemical substance. I have learned that something that is placed under the sun typically becomes warmer due to absorption of heat energy from the sun. This can manifest as a noticeable temperature increase, potential melting crayon, and drying of leaf or discoloration, and even changes in the state of materials. I also learned that some things that is put or placed under the sun can change physical appearance. Like crayon, it will melt. The leaf can dry and change color. And plastic bottle can warmer and potentially showing sign of discoloration and release harmful chemical. The concept of heat transfer and how the sun's energy can cause up to warm up. I also learned about the power of the sun's radiant energy and its impact on the physical world around us. And this is what happened to the materials that we put under the sun after 2 hours. It is more enjoy doing activities like this. I have learned something about the light, the heat of the sun, and the effect of the light into some materials. It's more fun and amazing. This is before and after the materials. Thank you for watching. Bye!